quality assurance in fish processing or our topic. So, magkuhan tag-istot na punta ko fish inspection and grade standards. So, we will tackle about unsa to name fish inspection, grades and standard, domestic, fresh and frozen product, quality assurance in fish processing such as processed product and current of importing countries like USA, European Union, and Japan. So, fish inspections, from the word inspection, yung root word, insa may ka nang maingon mo just meaning sa insa din inspection, insa itong pagbuhatan ng so, inspect. Mag-insa ka sa isda, saan mo na pag-isda o pag-inspect pa? How to check? Check na ta ang patay, na ang gills. So, ang fish inspection daw is a vital part of quality assurance in the industry and visual regulatory procedures which are attended to protect the consumer from unfit food to facilitate and regulate trade. So, according to our research for Food and Agriculture Organization, so tingnan sila nga amin mga fishery products kuno is kanang very healthy and nutritious or kanang it is important source sa mga kanang food or livelihood sa mga tao. And then however, if kanang dili siya ma-handle properly or correctly, so dako kayo og tendency nga kanang makahatag siya og negative effects sa consumer's health. So kinahanglan or important siya nga pagumuhatag kanang i-examine nato very carefully ang kanang isda before siya kanon para ma-sure nato na safety ang ato kaon. So, it's not aim ang iyakang tumok. So, its aim is to reduce post-harvest losses and better utilization of fishery product and fishery resources. From the word post, meaning after na. So, after catching, after harvesting, or after na siya ma-collect. So, post-harvest. So, anong kinahanglan man nato redusan or resusan ang mga post-harvest na kanang mga products. So, or kabalton sa ato ang post-harvest products. So, kinahanglan siya ususan para mas mulak-mulak ang economy, ilang sa economic likod sa kanang makahatag siya og safety sa kanang kung makakonsume ito sa consumer's health. And then, so now let's proceed to the grades and standards. So, ang grades, hindi siya grade ka ng pag-istot or mga grade level or standard. Standard, it just means sa kalaki, sa quality, sa kalaki. No? So, when we say grade standard, is kanang mag-classify siya sa kanang quality sa isda, dili sa laki, dili sa kanang so, quality sa isda like freshness, appearance, and flavor. So, according to our research, nga ang kaning grades is nag-listot siya or nasa category na kanang grade A, grade B, or grade C. So, when we say grade A is kanang nagtackle siya o kanang or it refers to the freshness or the quality or best quality of the fish, while ang grade B is kanang slightly fresh yeah, but still safe to eat gihapon. And ang grade C is kanang di na kayo siya lindot og quality, di na siya fresh, but ato na siya mo undergo sa mga processing like kanang sa mga animal feed na bitaw. And for the standards is kanang mura na siya og mga requirements or mga regulations, rules na kanang giset na sa government bitaw para kinahanglan jud nga kanang naay during ka mag-process ka og mga fishery products, kinahanglan jud na hygienic ka, nindot ang imong kuan. So di na siya kanang ingon ka nga kanilihan na buhaton, pero kani siya standards is set by the government na, so kinahanglan jud nimo siyang pagkat. So for the domestic, in the Philippines, inspection and application of quality control or assurance is aquatic products are the responsibilities of the BIFAR of the DA and B5 of the DOH. So, according to them, all fish processing establishments are subject to government inspection and have to comply with the requirements prescribed in the appropriate legislative acts. So, mandatory inspection of export products and an inspection of aquatic products. Sa kaning domestic, is mura na kinahang ka na nanay ka na sila, naana sila rule na kinahanglan before nimo i-transport or ibahay mo magkuanta mo process sa dili og mga fishery products na to, dili man na siya dili man na maka-export sa ato ang products sa laing country if dili nato siya i-pagkamanta og strict nga inspection. So dili mo tawagon sa laing country ang kanang buhang product if dili mo nila i-test dito para dili maka-affect sa mga tao mga palit or makakonsume. For the fresh and frozen products, maka-identify naman tayo nga ang fresh or ilahang different na kalahian nila. Ang difference is when we say fresh, is kanang nindot iyahang quality but shorten lang ang iyahang shelf life. Whereas ang frozen is taas ang iyahang shelf life but hindi ka siya nga na kanindot ang iyahang quality. So we have here the two national standards for fresh, chilled, and frozen products which have been published with the Philippine Bureau of Standards. And napatay code diri ang PTS 31.01.1969. Ang iyahang standardization kay is about na sa fresh, chilled, and frozen fish. And then sa code ng PTS 31.03.1970, iyahang standardization kay for live, fresh, and chilled or frozen shrimp. And for the next slide, may I go on the prettiest or the next
So, processed product, there are only a very limited number of national standards, such as for Bagoong and Matis and for the Philippines National Grade Curriculum. So, natin mga foreign or importing countries. So, the Philippines export miscellaneous aquatic products to major markets in the world, such as shrimp to Japan and USA, or fresh or frozen and cat to Latin. So, ang kinahang countries din nga, marami consider na to-export na kaya United States of America. So, there are two separate authorities nga kanang nagdapit o sa responsibilities sa fresh inspections. Ang kinahang kay kanina state rules and checks made by each US state like California and Maryland to make sure imported products are safe and good quality. So you're right, that individual states don't have their own inspection system. Some states have enacted laws or regulations related to labeling and original products sold within their borders. Kaya nagikaduha nga po ka na responsible sa fish inspections kay ang federal. Federal refers to the national level of government in the U.S., such as FDA and NMFS, which set and enforces regulations that ensure safety and quality of imported domestic fishery products. So, ang laing country kay the European Union of so the EU single market began on January 1, 1993. So, na-say duha ka council directives. So, ang pinakang directive kay Directive 91-942 deals with health conditions for the production and marketing of live bivalve mollusks. So, there both related to health conditions for producing and marketing fish products. So, the report prohibits the marketing of poisonous fish and products with biotexins, mandates inspection and approvals for establishment involved in this activity. So, there makita there is sa mga involved mga kuan ka ng inspection. Ay kaduha kaya ang Directive 91-493 deals with health conditions for production and marketing of fish products in general. So, diri makita ka na kung mag-inspect bitaw ka sa about sa health conditions sa anang product. Then, fish quality control is based on HACCP system. Ang last country kay ang Japan. The Food Inspection Services and Health Bureau and 46 prefectural governments are responsible for the mandatory inspection of chilled and frozen fish harvested domestically or landed at Japanese ports or fishing vessels. Guidelines of sanitation, hygiene, and environmental standards are designated by the Ministry of Health and Welfare. So, dire, inspect na ito kuhaan ka lang. Ikan pa lang sa pag-harvest, inspect na natin nila sa sanitation, ang hygiene, then ang kuhaan ka lang sa product na ka lang. Invest nila ilang pag-iugal o makapasar na sa standards.
So, in general, no, like, this no tani nga topic, fish inspection and grade standards para makuha na nato ka ng hibawaan nato kung sa ka-importante nga i-examine pa nato ang ato ang mga fishery products ay nato siya i-consume para makahatag siya og safety sa health sa fishery. That's all.